coming days. We have completed question number 5, 6 and 7 yesterday. Look at question number 8. It says, prove that the straight line joining the midpoints of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Exercise 11.1, question number 8. Now I am constructing a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, in which E, F, G, H are midpoints. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral in which E, F, G and H are midpoints of BC, CB, BA and AD respectively. Let EG and HF intersect each other at O to prove HO is equal to OF and EG is equal to EO is equal to EZ, or IE you can say. Straight line bisect straight lines joining midpoint bisect each other. This you have to prove. Now, for solution, I am going to join AC and BD. Solution. Let AC and BD are joined. So in triangle, first come to ABC. G is a midpoint of AB. So GO is equal to half of BC according to midpoint theorem. In this triangle, if G is a midpoint, so this GO would be half of BC according to midpoint theorem we can write. Now, just I'm rubbing this upper portion. This is number 1 I have written. Again, in triangle BCD, E is the midpoint of CD. So EO is equal to half of BC according to midpoint theorem. We have done, this is situation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, GO is equal to EO, proved. Similarly, now this we proved, these are equal. Now in triangle, similarly, in triangle ABD, H is the midpoint of AD. So HO would be half of AB, midpoint. Number 3 situation. See, I am rubbing this, and again in triangle ABC, F is a midpoint, of BC. So what will be FO? Is a half of AB. So FO is equal to half of AB. Situation, this is also a midpoint theorem. This is situation number 4. Now from 3 and 4, HO is also half of AB and OF is also half of AB. So from 3 and 4 we can write HO is equal to OF. So that's what HO is equal to OF from 3 and 4. So finally what would be the answer? Therefore, straight lines bisect each other. Now, you just look question number 9. I'm just explaining it. You must write it up. Okay. Now the question says the diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect each other at 90 degrees. Now the figure would be like that. You should start writing. Question number 9 is a quadrilateral that I have constructed, whose diagonals are bisecting each other at 90 degrees. Clear? Now it says, prove that the figure obtained by joining the midpoint of adjacent sides. Now I have midpoints for this all the 4 sides. Now here you have to prove if quadrilateral was ABCD and EFGH were the midpoints, so you have to prove EFGH is a rectangle. First of all, we can prove this side is equal to this side, and this is also half of BD, and this is also half of BD. So opposite sides are equal. This is half of AC, and this is half of AC. So the first property we got, that is opposite sides are equal for the rectangle, is it? Now we know, we have proved already GF and HA is parallel to AC and BD is parallel to EF and HG. Now as AC perpendicular BD, now AC and BD are the perpendiculars on each other, is it? Therefore GF would be perpendicular on EF and HE would be perpendicular on EF. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So what would be this also? This is parallel. So that's what as if as AC is a parallelism, EF and BD is a parallelism, HE, GF. So if one line is a perpendicular, other parallel lines would be perpendicular. Therefore, EF, GH is a rectangle. Proved. First of all, you have to prove opposite sides are equal. Second, you have to prove each angle is 90 degree. How to prove each angle is 90? As AC and BD are perpendicular on each other, therefore their parallel lines are also would be perpendicular on each other. So, as AC perpendicular BD, similarly AC is perpendicular on EF also. So, if AC is perpendicular on EF, HE also would be perpendicular on EF and GF also would be perpendicular on EF. So, this is proved. EFGH is a rectangle. You must write it in your copy. Next day we will be solving question number 10. And if there is any doubt, any type of clarification you want to ask, you can ask me in comment box. This is for the same, this is for the different, this is for this. For today, you leave it up to here. You must write question number 9 along with the statement and all. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you so much.